an updated intro. New car, new intro. Let's check it out. Hi guys, so today I'm back at Caffeine machine, this time for the first time with the Lotus. And of course, we're getting another media profile done. Isla's here, Caffeine machine, so it's going to be a really good day. Let's see how we get on. Cool. It's absolutely soaking.
Oh. Yeah, lovely, smooth, lovely. Oh, my camera.
Hello. How are you?
Oh, everyone.
So you do gift checkout, and then if there's another option, put down order number.
Okay. Yeah, he does a bespoke one for each
Well?
video, whereas people like TG.
I think I've lost my car. Right, sorted.
Ready to make my journey your journey?
To make my journey your journey, like, plus subscribe. I'll see you next time. It's cold. Are we going for a crouching or standing?
Oh, I don't know.
I feel like it's. I'll go crouch.
I don't. I'm too old for this sort of cool stuff, you know.
I get a quick bit because I'm vlogging today. Just be like, do you approve of the change from the M2 kind of thing?
Yeah.
Is that all right?
Obviously, I'm going to say no.
So you guys all remember Joe from one of the interviews, and what do you think to the change to the M2?
Well, being a BMW guy, I have to say I don't approve at all. No. Jokes aside, it's very, very cool. It looks like a racing car for the road. I don't envy you driving it in conditions like today, though. And I wouldn't fit in that, so that's why I haven't actually got one. But very, very cool. And hopefully I'll get to join you on track one day.
Definitely, we'll get that to happen. But it's got the Joe Achilles tick of approval.
Yeah, double thumbs up.
Thank you, Joe.
No worries.
Thank you.
Cool, no
Have
worries.
a safe. How'd you pose? Well, now I've... What? One of them will be all right. These umbrellas are lethal. Hair look is going down very well for the intro, but we rock, we roll. Okay, comment if you think we should bring the race Clio down. And if we get enough comments, hopefully we can convince my dad to trailer it. I think it looked good. We've just met the most arrogant guy ever. I mean, you always get one who thought the Lotus was my boyfriend's car.
What actual loser? Did you just see that?
Honestly, men, sometimes men. He's disappeared.
Yeah, he's gone now.
Yeah. We've actually challenged him to some sort of race or whatever we end up planning because he thinks girls can't handle cars like this, and we're here to prove him wrong.
His money where his mouth is.
Yeah, we'll see how that goes. Keep an eye out.
I quite like it.
Imagine like, I definitely turn up. That's the hood. There's a tiny hole.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. To make my journey your journey.
Come
on,
on,
mate.
subscribe.
We're off on a journey. Come on, let's go make yours mine.
It is freezing filming, but we got pretty good.
Go on, I'll pay you. I'll pay for the damage.
As you said, too far.
Too far.
I burnt half a tank of fuel. Like that. I've got no power steering here. It's so wet. Right, you ready? Yeah. Thank you. Oh, my love. No, don't worry. Thank you for coming. I know. I love that. I know. We did this once in a long dress, and the dress let go, and both the other leg went up as well. Party trick. Oh, it's so good. I'll see you on Sunday.
I know.
Yes. So we'll talk something afterwards.
See you on Sunday anyway. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
we'll say hello to your like. Well, I thought you did. It's a demo. Right, hold on. Okay. Oh, hold on, my window. I'm not scary, I promise. There we go. I'm not scary. Your tail's wagging. Come here then. Then. Come on. What's this? No, this tone's more interesting.
When we go to Goodwood and we can't find much, you just look down.
Oh, it's the angle, mate. It's the angle.
That is the end of a very wet and drenched Caffeine and Machine, but it was totally worth it because we got some awesome content today. Met some amazing people that I've been chatting to on Instagram before, but never actually met, so it's been a really good day. Even if it has been raining the entire time. But let's check out the new outro from Will and Ruffe Media. I'll put everyone's links down below. But for now, you guys know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!